Welcome to the Chicken Lips channel. This channel is about all Commodore, and this time we have a salvage operation for the Commodore Amiga 500. I'm showing you this cleaning equipment because you know why in a moment. This is the tools we're gonna use. Hopefully I don't need much more for this simple operation. Let's see what we have. The story is a seller had this on internet for bidding. I did a bidding for like 25 euros, and he agreed, so I could pick it up. But this guy called me back and he said, well, the condition is even worse than I expected, as you can see. And he said, well, you can pick it up for free. So well, I didn't hesitate to do that. Only you can see there's not much left of this Amiga 500. I got some free discs. Here they are. I'm not even gonna try those. And here's the Amiga itself. Keys are a little bit sticky. Anyway, I'm gonna open this thing up, use those gloves first, and show you what we see inside. I'm curious too, you know. So let's have a look. So all geared up, and let's have a look at the hardware. The two 520s, as you can see, it is very rusty. When I open this up for fun, you will see how bad it is. I'm quite curious, but I'm not going to start with this one. We're going to start with the Amiga, of course. A gamepad. Anybody interested? The power brick at least looks a little bit decent. I'm not going to switch it on anyway. It had some weather damage too, so just open it up later and have a look what we see inside. Let's move this stuff out of the way. So for the Amiga itself, let's have a look at the back. The seller said it had some water damage from the bathroom. Some, as you can see. I might even just clean it up and can use the case of this computer. Okay, we have a RAM expansion. I guess this half a megabyte won't work anymore. You see, let me have a look. Here, you can see this. And listen. Oh yeah, this is all wasted. Anyway, let's open her up and see what we have inside. Oh man. I hope you can see this. Oh yeah, it's opening. I still have a mainboard lying around, so if I can clean this one up, in fact, I could use it, you know. And it's a waste to throw anything away which is still usable. Maybe perhaps some chips I can clean up just for spare ones or something. Here's the RAM expansion. Ah, this looks different. Okay, I managed to open it. Let's have a look inside, okay? It looks like shit. Oh my god. Here we have the keyboard and the back side. And now let's see the mainboard. Okay, let's have a look. It's a little bit crusty, as you can see. look. I still think I can clean some of those chips up and reuse them. There's always something you can use, even the screws. I'm short of screws anyway, so I'm gonna clean this up a little bit and have a look what I still can use. Okay. So think of the keys of the keyboard, the chips, some of the cables as you can see here, and the case. Still usable, I guess. So the knife I use for the chips, very easy. This is the ROM, should be 1.3. Motorola 68000. Oops, sorry. Here we have, is it Paula? Correct me if I'm wrong. And this must be Gary. CIA chips. They often tend to fail, but I never had one that was broken. But it's good to have some spare ones indeed. Oh man. This must be the knees. Oh, that's all rusty. I don't know if this will come out in a nice way. Oh, let's have a look. So everything is out now. Here are the chips. I will clean them up and have a look in another Amiga if they still work. So that could be fun. I'm gonna remove this mainboard. Show you the case when I removed it, and I will clean it up and see what we still can use. So the result is here. Some severe water damage can do this to your Amiga. Some leftover stuff. I will use the dustifier to clean this up and use the soap here to clean up the case. I will continue this using another method in the bathroom. Maybe you will see it. I will use another method to clean this up further. I will show you later the results. I can always spray paint it, you know, if it doesn't come off completely. So you will see. Okay, next we attack this keyboard. Let's take all those keys off, shall we? Okay, let's have a look at this power supply now. No, I'm not gonna use this one. Let's take this and maybe the fuse, and that's it. Okay, now let's have a look at these two. This one looks best. I don't expect anything anymore. How to open this? Wasted. And for fun, we can open the other one. Oh. Okay. These cases actually you can still use. Maybe for a future Pi project or something. Okay, time to wrap this up. What did we salvage from this operation? Well, we have a case, two empty modulators, an empty power supply, a bag full of keys, some cables, a piece of art, and a full chipset. In the next video we can build, perhaps, a complete new Amiga with the parts we are missing. Here's the floppy drive with the missing button. Perhaps I can fix it. Well, that's about it. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you next time when we build this computer, or perhaps even check those chips. Thank you.